Hey, what is happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. I'm the leader and founder of Trading. We are a group of like-minded individuals who day trade stocks and cryptocurrencies and invest, and we just talk charts and how to be better at what we do. If that's something that interests you, there's a free chat room, which is the first link in the description. Please come and say hi to me and say what's up. So today, had a great day. As you can see here, I realized 0.1112945 in profit and converted. That is $824. So, guys, I made $824 today. That is my highest day gains for the month of July since I started this challenge. I just made more money than I started this challenge with, which is, to put it in perspective, I started with zero point 0.1 Bitcoin worth $660. And so let's talk about today. It's been crazy. As you can see here, we have some major spikes going on. So I started off the day with a trade that put me up about 0.04 Bitcoin. I sold short at 67.08, locked in profit at 66.99, then went long at 66.93, locked in profit at 67.01, right? So those were the good trade, the first good trade of the day. Two trades lasted about 30 minutes total for about $292. Then I entered the worst trade of the day, which is going to be hard to see now because of the current price expansion, but we can kind of see it in here a little bit. Let me take off VPBR. Okay, so next, I entered a short at 67.05, right around here, because I thought we were going to break down. Actually, it was farther up. So it was right around here. I saw us breaking down off the VWAP, and so I was going to hit down off the VWAP. Instead, it surged up, and it continued to do so. And so I ended up closing my trade for a major loss of 0.13 Bitcoin. So basically, I ended up, after the 0.04 net gain, or the 0.04 gain, I ended up netting a loss of 0.1 Bitcoin. After that bad trade, I even entered like a market order, which I never use market orders. I just was freaking out because of the surge, and so everything was going bad. So right after that, I opened up a 100x trade, which I don't recommend doing, but I was so confident in it going up after seeing how it was bouncing off of the previous highs as like a support. I was confident in it going up, so I opened a 100x long of 100,000 contracts at 67.65, and then I sold those at 68.60. As you can see now, we are at 70, almost 7,400, so I missed out on a lot of gains. But what's happening is basically a liquidation sale. So a lot of these shorts that were in play have gotten liquidated, and it resulted in like $10 million market buys up and up and up, which is why we saw this huge surge. I played 68.60, thought it was safe. Turns out it was way too little. I should have also looked at the 4-hour. When looking at the 4-hour with volume, you see this huge well up to 7,200. So I should have played 7,200 right off the bat. Sorry. And so should have played 7,200 on my limit, but I just wanted to get in and get out. Ended up locking in that trade for 0.2 Bitcoin, I believe, which put my balance again at 0.11 or $824 on the day. Now, here's some fun stuff. Had I held my position and we got to the high of the day, I would have made 1.31 Bitcoin for 887% gain, which is just absolutely absurd. But that's the type of things that can happen when you're on BitMEX. This could have easily just ripped as far down as it did up. We've seen it happen before. Next stop is probably 7,600 according to my charting. But, sorry, I'm talking fast because it's an exciting day. We should see some pullback here in the future. But again, all these liquidations are really making this thing surge up. And so that's the day. Those are the trades. This last trade for the 100x position, which again, I never use 100x, and luckily I did use limit orders on that, so I didn't get eaten alive. But it lasted 11 minutes. So that was 11 minutes for 0.22 gain, basically about $1,500, or yeah, about $1,500 gain. So a little bit of that to get me out of my red position, and then the profit on top. But had I held, I would have been at like an $8,000 gain or something crazy, which is a bummer. But what are you gonna do? So if this stuff is interesting to you, if you want to know how you can make $800 in one day, click the first link. Come chat with me and the others. If you want to take it to the next level, click the second link and come join the trading course where we teach people how to do this, and you can use my indicators and stuff. But I hope you have a blessed rest of the day. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Let me know how much you're making off Bitcoin right now, and come say hi. Peace.